Today we explore sleep, the foundation of recovery and muscle growth. Many focus on training and nutrition, but neglect sleep quality. Without proper sleep, your progress will always be limited. Sleep is when your body repairs and rebuilds damaged tissues. This includes muscle fibers stressed during resistance training. Let us understand what happens inside your body during sleep. Sleep consists of multiple cycles, each with different stages. These include light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Deep sleep is especially important for physical recovery. During this stage, growth hormone is released significantly. Growth hormone supports muscle repair and tissue regeneration. Protein synthesis also increases during quality sleep periods. This is the process of building new muscle proteins. Now consider what happens when sleep is insufficient. Recovery becomes impaired and muscle growth slows down. Cortisol levels may increase, promoting muscle breakdown. Testosterone levels may decrease, reducing anabolic potential. This creates a less favorable environment for muscle growth. Sleep also affects energy levels and training performance. Poor sleep reduces strength, endurance, and coordination. This increases injury risk during training sessions. Now let us discuss recommended sleep duration for athletes. Most adults require 7 to 9 hours per night. Athletes may benefit from even slightly more sleep. Quality matters just as much as total sleep duration. Deep, uninterrupted sleep provides the most recovery benefits. Now let us examine sleep cycles more closely. Each cycle lasts approximately 90 minutes. You experience multiple cycles throughout the night. Deep sleep occurs more in early cycles of the night. REM sleep becomes more prominent later in the night. Both stages are important for overall recovery and function. Now let us explore the nervous system recovery. Training stresses not only muscles, but also the nervous system. Sleep helps restore neural function and coordination. This improves performance in future training sessions. Now consider glycogen restoration during sleep. Muscle glycogen stores are replenished more effectively. This provides energy for your next workout. Sleep also regulates hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Poor sleep increases hunger and reduces satiety signals. This can lead to overeating and poor food choices. Now let us connect sleep with fat loss goals. Insufficient sleep can reduce fat loss efficiency. More weight lost may come from muscle instead of fat. This negatively affects body composition over time. Now let us explore sleep environment optimization. Darkness supports melatonin production and sleep onset. Cool room temperature improves sleep quality significantly. Reducing noise and distractions helps maintain deep sleep. Now let us discuss pre-sleep habits that improve sleep quality. Reducing screen exposure before bed supports melatonin production. Blue light can delay your natural sleep cycle significantly. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule improves circadian rhythm. Going to bed at the same time enhances sleep efficiency. Now consider caffeine intake and its effect on sleep. Caffeine can remain in your system for several hours. Avoid consuming it too close to your bedtime. Now let us examine alcohol and sleep quality. Alcohol may help you fall asleep, but disrupts deep sleep. This reduces overall recovery despite longer sleep duration. Now consider late night eating and digestion. Heavy meals before bed can disturb sleep quality. Light protein snacks may support overnight muscle repair. Now let us discuss naps and their role in recovery. Short naps can improve alertness and performance. However, long naps may disrupt nighttime sleep cycles. Now let us explore sleep and hormone regulation deeper. Growth hormone release peaks during deep sleep phases. Testosterone levels are also influenced by sleep duration. Poor sleep reduces anabolic hormone production significantly. Now consider cortisol and stress hormone balance. Sleep deprivation increases cortisol levels in the body. This can promote fat storage and muscle breakdown. Now let us connect sleep with muscle protein synthesis. Sleep enhances the body's ability to build muscle proteins. This process is essential for muscle growth and adaptation. Now let us discuss sleep debt accumulation. Chronic sleep loss builds up over days and weeks. This reduces performance and recovery capacity significantly. Now let us examine circadian rhythm more closely. Your internal clock regulates sleep and wake cycles. Light exposure plays a key role in this system. Morning sunlight helps regulate circadian timing effectively. Now, consider training timing and sleep interaction. Late, intense workouts may delay sleep onset for some individuals. Experiment to find what timing works best for you. Now let us explore sleep and injury risk. Athletes with poor sleep have higher injury rates. Fatigue reduces coordination and reaction time. Now let us discuss cognitive function and sleep. Sleep improves focus, learning, and decision-making abilities. This enhances training quality and technique execution. Now reflect on your current sleep habits honestly. Are you prioritizing sleep as much as training? Small improvements can yield significant performance benefits. Now, let us move toward deeper insights and applications. Understanding sleep allows you to optimize recovery effectively. This creates a stronger foundation for long-term progress. Now we continue toward advanced recovery strategies. Now let us explore advanced sleep optimization strategies for athletes. Consistency in sleep timing strengthens your circadian rhythm. Your body begins preparing for sleep at predictable times. Now consider the role of temperature regulation in sleep. A cooler body temperature promotes deeper and more restful sleep. Warm showers before bed can help trigger this cooling effect. Now let us examine breathing and relaxation techniques. Slow breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system. This reduces stress and prepares the body for sleep. Meditation can also improve sleep quality over time. Now let us discuss supplementation for sleep support. Magnesium may help relaxation and improve sleep onset. Melatonin can assist with circadian rhythm adjustments. However, supplementation should not replace good sleep habits. Now consider sleep tracking technologies and devices. Wearables can estimate sleep duration and sleep stages. Use them as guides, not absolute measures of recovery. Now let us explore sleep and inflammation control. Adequate sleep helps reduce systemic inflammation levels. This supports faster recovery from training stress. Now consider sleep and connective tissue repair. Tendons and ligaments recover during deep sleep phases. Poor sleep increases risk of overuse injuries. Now let us discuss immune function and sleep further. Sleep strengthens immune response and recovery capacity. Chronic sleep deprivation weakens resistance to illness. Now, consider mental recovery and emotional regulation. Sleep helps process stress and stabilize mood. Better mood improves motivation and training consistency. Now let us examine sleep and reaction time. Well-rested athletes react faster and perform better. Fatigue slows reaction and increases error rates. Now let us connect sleep with long-term adaptation. Consistent sleep supports progressive overload adaptation. This leads to sustainable strength and muscle gains. Now reflect on your sleep environment once again. Is your room optimized for darkness, quiet, and comfort? Small changes can greatly improve sleep quality. Now let us summarize advanced principles briefly. Sleep quality influences hormones, recovery, and performance. It supports both physical and mental adaptation processes. Consistency remains the most powerful tool for improvement. Now we move toward final practical implementation steps. You now understand the science behind sleep and recovery. The next step is applying this knowledge consistently. Remember, results come from repeated behaviors over time. Now prepare for final integration into daily habits. Your future performance depends on your sleep today. Let us move to final actionable steps for mastery. Consistency will transform your recovery and performance. Now let us translate sleep science into daily habits. First, maintain a consistent sleep and wake schedule. Second, create a dark, cool, and quiet sleep environment. Third, limit screen exposure at least 1 hour before bed. Fourth, avoid caffeine late in the day. Fifth, use relaxation techniques to reduce pre-sleep stress. Sixth, avoid heavy meals immediately before bedtime. Seventh, expose yourself to natural light in the morning. Eighth, monitor your sleep patterns and adjust gradually. Ninth, prioritize sleep as seriously as training sessions. 10th, remain patient and consistent with your habits. Now, reflect on your current routine honestly. Are you giving your body enough time to recover? Sleep is not wasted time. It is productive recovery. Now, consider long-term results of improved sleep habits, stronger muscles, better performance, and reduced injury risk, improved mood, focus, and overall quality of life. Now imagine you're training with optimal recovery support. Each session becomes more productive and efficient. Your body adapts faster and more effectively over time. Now reinforce the scientific mindset once again. Observe your sleep, measure outcomes, and adjust behaviors. Avoid extreme hacks and focus on proven fundamentals. Consistency always beats occasional perfection. Now take action starting from tonight. Set a fixed bedtime and follow your routine. Even small improvements will accumulate over weeks. Remember, adaptation takes time and repeated effort. Your body responds to consistency, not short-term effort. Now trust the process and stay committed. You now understand the science of sleep deeply. Apply this knowledge to support your fitness journey. Stay patient, disciplined, and focused on recovery. Like the turtle, progress is slow but steady. Over time, these habits build a powerful foundation. Your future strength depends on your recovery today. Respect your body by giving it proper rest. Continue learning and refining your approach. Sleep is a lifelong pillar of performance and health. Stay grounded in science and avoid unnecessary shortcuts. Now move forward with clarity and purpose. Apply these principles consistently in your daily routine. Build strength, resilience, and long-term health. Trust the process and remain consistent over time. You now hold one of the most powerful recovery tools. Use it wisely and consistently every night. Your results will reflect your recovery habits. Move forward steadily with discipline and patience. Like the turtle, steady effort leads to lasting success. And remember, muscle grows best in deep, quality sleep.